Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's video lesson. I hope all of you are fit and fine in your homes, and you all are taking care of yourself as well as your family members. My dear students, today I would like to take a moment to appreciate all of you. You people have been in your homes for a very long time. Still, the effort you are making and the way in which you are studying regularly, it is very commendable and I highly appreciate it. You all have done very well and you all have made me very much proud. I'm really happy that I have so wonderful students who have who have been able to overcome this challenge and who have performed so nicely, even though this online learning was a new challenge for you people as well. But I am glad that all of you did it. It's great to know, students. Now, dear students, today we will be once again reading the chapter The Happy Prince. And this chapter has been written by Oscar Wilde. Okay, Oscar Wilde has written this chapter, and I hope all of you are enjoying the story. I know that for certain I am enjoying this story because it is a very beautiful story which has human emotions in it, and it's just a lovely story. Okay, it tells us a lot of things about life, and it helps us to understand what we don't understand about just the outer appearance, right? We think just by outer appearance, we just think by looking at what is around us. Okay, but we have to think what we are not even seeing, right? I would like to remind you that the happy prince cried, right? The happy prince, he cried when he saw the sufferings of his city. Okay, when he saw that the people in his city, they were suffering, so he cried. But don't you think if he would have seen the sufferings earlier in his life, he could have done something for the people? He could have done something to make the life of those people better, right? He could have done something, and that's why I stress, that's why I say that yes, it is highly important to not only see what is visible but also to see what we should see. Okay, now dear students, before I start the chapter, I would like to remind you what has happened till now in the story. Okay, so the story starts with the swallow, okay, who was trying to go to Egypt. He comes to this city where there is a statue of a happy prince on the hilltop. Okay, and when he goes to sleep, when the swallow goes to sleep, some drops of water fall upon him, but he gets surprised that why there are these raindrops, because there is not even a single cloud in the sky. So he finds out that they were actually the tears of the happy prince. And why the happy prince? He was crying because of the suffering of his people. Okay, the sufferings of his people made him sad. That's why he was crying. So what happens then? That the happy prince, he asks the swallow to take out the ruby from the hilt of his sword. What is hilt? From the handle. Okay, he asked the swallow to take out the ruby from the handle of his sword and give it to a seamstress. Okay, a seamstress whose child was ill, whose son had a fever. Okay, so even though the swallow, he didn't care for young boys, he still anyways did it. Then when the happy prince saw that a playwright, okay, playwright कौन होता है? जो play लिखता है. So when the happy prince saw that a playwright, he was unable to finish his play because he was cold, he offered to take out one of the sapphire from his eye, and he asked the swallow that pluck out a sapphire from my eye and give it to this playwright. Okay, so even though the swallow denied initially, but still he did as the happy prince asked him to do. Okay, so now we are going to resume our chapter. I'm going to be reading a few lines behind so that you get to remember where we were. Okay, please open chapter number 5 and page number 32. Okay, the young man had his head buried in his hands. So जो वो young man था, उसका जो सर था वो उसने अपने हाथों में ऐसे रखा हुआ था. ओके, वो रेस्ट कर रहा था. ओके, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. So जैसे वो swallow है, he didn't hear him. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. So उसको वो sapphire मिला जब उसने ऊपर देखा कि जो वो खराब हो गए थे flowers, जो उनके ऊपर वो sapphire रखा हुआ था. I am beginning to be appreciated. Beginning to be appreciated means मेरी तारीफ होनी शुरू हो गई है. Okay, appreciation means तारीफ. Okay, he cried, this is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play. So what is he saying? That the sapphire which he has received, it is from a great admirer. कोई बहुत ही उसकी तारीफ करने वाला है. Okay, so उसने ऐसा कहा, and now he is hoping that अब मैं अपना play finish कर पाऊंगा. Okay, and he looked quite happy, and yes, obviously because उसे वो sapphire मिल गया. So what will happen then? If you are in a problem and you get its solution from somewhere, won't you be happy? Obviously you will be happy. Okay, similarly the happy prince, he also got happy. The next day the swallow flew down to the harbor. Okay, so swallow कहाँ गया? वो जो harbor था उस city का. Harbor क्या होता है? जहाँ पे ships खड़ी होते हैं, जहाँ पे ships अपना anchor drop करती है. Okay, you might have heard the word port also. Port में क्या होता है? Port में बहुत सारे offices होते हैं, storage के लिए godowns होते हैं, बहुत सारी जगह होती है. लेकिन harbor जो है उस पे सिर्फ ships खड़ी होती हैं. Okay, you might have heard about Pearl Harbor in the history, है ना? Pearl Harbor पे जापानीज एयर अटैक हुआ था जिसकी वजह से यूएस ने वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 में पार्टिसिपेट किया. ओके, दिस इज अ फैक्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री. अदरवाइज यूएस डायरेक्ट पार्टिसिपेट करना ही नहीं चाहता था अडोल्फ हिटलर के अगेंस्ट. ओके, वो नहीं चाहते थे कि यूरोप में कोई वॉर चल रही है वहां पे हम एंगेज हो. नो, पर जब ये पर्ल हार्बर का अटैक हुआ उसके बाद यूएस एंगेज हुआ. ओके, सो वहां पे क्या था? वहां पे सिर्फ शिप्स खड़ी थी. ओके, वहां पे सिर्फ शिप्स खड़ी थी, और शिप्स जब खड़ी होती हैं तो उन पे कोई भी अटैक्स कर सकता है क्योंकि वो ना मूव हो सकती ना वो कुछ कर सकती. सो सिमिलरली इस वजह से यूएस को बहुत लॉस हुआ था. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ प्लेस इज हार्बर. ओके, कि जहां पर सिर्फ शिप्स खड़ी होती हैं. ओके, नाउ he sat on the mast of a large vessel. मास्ट क्या होता है? एक हाई एरिया होता है जहां से हमें दूर का दिखाई देता है. ओके, शिप्स में एक हाई एरिया कंस्ट्रक्ट हुआ होता है. जो पोल्स होते हैं ना, सेलिंग पोल्स होते हैं जिन पे सेल बांधते हैं, तो उनके उधर ही वो क्रिएट हुआ होता है. हाइट पे ही बना हुआ होता है. ओके, he sat on the mast of a large vessel. Vessel means what? Ship. ओके, वेसल मीन्स शिप, क्योंकि वो फ्लोट करती है वाटर पे और एक यूटेंसिल भी फ्लोट करता है तो इसीलिए उनको वेसल कह देते हैं. ओके, ऑन द मास्ट ऑफ अ लार्ज वेसल एंड वॉच द सेलर्स वर्किंग. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow. But nobody minded. So swallow, he shouted loudly that I am going to Egypt. But nobody gave him any attention. Okay, nobody paid him any attention. Everyone just went about their work. सब अपने काम में लगे रहे. Like suppose if there is a bird, okay, and he is shouting in front of your house, are you going to bother if he is creating any sound? No, we don't respond to bird sounds, okay, unless you are a bird watcher. Okay, moving on. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. So when the moon rose, जब नाइट हुई, जब इवनिंग हुई, तो वो वापस से हैप्पी प्रिंस के पास आ गया. I have come to bid you goodbye, he said. Bid means कहना, okay? So मैं तुम्हें goodbye बोलने आया हूँ. He said that. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? So the prince, what is he doing now? He is asking the swallow to stay with him for one more night, right? The prince, he earlier also asked him to stay, okay, and now once again he has done the same. It is winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. क्या होता है कि बर्ड्स जो हैं वो माइग्रेटरी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हैं, राइट? यू मस्ट हैव रेड दिस इन साइंस कि बर्ड्स साउथ से नॉर्थ में ट्रैवल करते हैं जब ठंड होती है, और जब नॉर्थ में ठंड होती है फिर वो वापस नॉर्थ से साउथ ट्रैवल करते हैं. ओके, बहुत सारे बर्ड्स ये टेंडेंसी फॉलो करते हैं. सो सिमिलरली हमारा जो ये स्वॉलो है ये भी यही टेंडेंसी फॉलो करता है, इसीलिए वो इजिप्ट जाना चाहता है. इन इजिप्ट द सन इज वार्म ऑन द ग्रीन पाम ट्रीज, ओके, एंड द क्रोकोडाइल्स lie in the mud and look lazily about them. So what is happening in Egypt? The sun is warm, it is shining brightly, okay, because it is summer there, okay, and the crocodiles, they just lie in the mud and they look at the palm trees. Okay, this is what is happening in Egypt. It means it is very pleasant in Egypt. In the square below, said the happy prince. Square below means जो वो चौराहा है, okay, जो चौराहा है नीचे उसकी स्टैचू के नीचे, वहां पर. There stands a little match girl. Match girl means जो लड़की मैच बॉक्सेस बेचती है, माचिस की डिब्बियां बेचती है, वो लड़की खड़ी हुई है. She has let her matches fall in the gutter. So उसकी जो माचिस हैं वो कहाँ गिर गई हैं? गटर में, okay, and they are all spoiled. Obviously if they fall into water, then the matches, they are just not useful. The matches, they are just not useful. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money, and she is crying. So now see, there is a problem with her. If she goes to home without any money, then the father of the little girl is going to beat her, okay. He is a very strict father, not like the father of our little girl, right? We read the chapter The Little Girl. There was a little girl in that, and her father, he turned out to be quite soft. But that is not the case with this little girl. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money, and she is crying. She has no shoes or stockings. Stockings means socks. So now उसके पास shoes है ना socks है. It means she is very poor. And her little head is bare. बेयर मीन्स अनकवर्ड, ओके, किसी भी कवरिंग से जो कवर नहीं, जैसे क्लोथ हम यूजुअली यूज करते हैं या फिर प्लास्टिक भी यूज होता है. सो ट्री, पुराने जमाने में लोग लीव्स को भी यूज करते थे. ओके, सो हर लिटिल हेड इज अनकवर्ड. Pluck out my other eye. Now see what he has said. He had only one eye. Okay, he had only one eye with which he could see. But now he has asked the swallow to even take that one out. How nice is he? Isn't he? कि उसने अपनी सेकेंड आई भी सेक्रीफाइस कर दी. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. So उसे कंसर्न है कि जो लिटिल गर्ल है उसकी पिटाई ना हो, she should not get any punishment, and that's why he is asking the swallow to pluck out his other eye. I will stay with you one night longer, said the swallow. Okay, the swallow, he is saying that I will stay with you for one more night. Yeah, but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then. So he is saying that if what will happen, see what will happen if there is only one eye and the prince, he gives away that eye as well. What will happen to the prince? He will be blind. वो अंधा हो जाएगा, उसे दिखाई नहीं देगा, right? No one can see without their eyes. The same is the case with the happy prince. Even he won't be able to see. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Do as I command you. So prince ने फिर से क्या कहा है कि जैसा मैं कह रहा हूं तुम वैसा ही करो. ओके, so he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it. So उसने जो प्रिंस की बात मानकर उसने प्रिंस की दूसरी आंख भी निकाल ली. ओके, एंड ही darted down. darted down का मीन्स कि वो बहुत तेज स्पीड में नीचे गया. ओके, he swooped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. swoop past means वो बहुत ही नीचे उतरा. ओके, वो लड़की के पास से, और उसने जो जूल था, जो सफायर था, ओके, उसको लड़की के हाथ में गिरा दिया. ओके, What a lovely bit of glass. अब लड़की को नहीं पता है कि this is a sapphire. She thinks that it is just a piece of glass. It is a jewel. She is unaware. She just thinks it's just a lovely bit of glass. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. So now she got very happy and she went to her home. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. So see this act of selflessness. Okay, see this act of kindness, because prince जो है वो अब blind हो गया है. Okay, the happy prince, he cannot see anymore. That's why our swallow, our nice and kind swallow, he has said that I will stay with you always. मैं तुम्हें कभी छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा. The swallow who could have gone to Egypt and enjoyed himself. Okay, Egypt जा सकता था वो swallow और वो खुद को enjoy कर सकता था. But did he choose to do that? No, he chose to stay. He chose to stay out of his own will. Because the happy prince, he was blind. Okay, the happy prince, he was absolutely blind now, he couldn't see. सिर्फ उसकी सर्विस करने के लिए, सिर्फ उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए, ओके, स्वॉलो ने डिसाइड किया दैट आई एम गोना स्टे हियर. ओके, see, this is an act of selflessness. You should understand this. अगर उसे अपना कुछ गेन होता तो वो कहाँ जाता? If he would have been concerned about his own benefit, he would have gone to Egypt, right? Where the lazy crocodiles are looking at the palm trees. But what did he choose to do? He chose to stay there. That's very important. No, little swallow, said the poor prince. You must go away to Egypt. So the poor prince, जो बेचारा प्रिंस है, जिसने अपनी दोनों आइज दे दी हैं, वो कह रहा है कि नहीं, तुम यहीं रहो. ओके, तुम यहाँ मत रहो, तुम इजिप्ट चले जाओ. ओके, नाउ सी द प्रिंस, ही इज ऑल्सो बीइंग सो काइंड एंड सेल्फलेस. वो अपने बारे में नहीं सोच रहा है, उसे कंसर्न नहीं है कि हाँ, अगर ये स्वॉलो मेरे साथ रहेगा तो ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है, इससे मुझे कुछ फायदा होगा. नहीं, वो ऐसे नहीं सोच रहा है. प्रिंस क्या सोच रहा है? प्रिंस सोच रहा है कि वो स्वॉलो को कह रहा है कि नहीं, यू शुड गो. ओके, तुम जाओ, इजिप्ट जाओ और वहां रहो. ओके, क्योंकि उसने उसे कहा था कि तुम इजिप्ट चले जाना, बस मेरे एक दो काम कर दो, राइट? अब वो आइस दे चुका है, रूबी भी दे चुका है, सफायर्स दे चुका है, रूबी भी दे चुका है, तो अब उसके पास कुछ है नहीं, तो इसलिए उसने कह दिया कि ओके, तुम जाओ. नो, आई विल स्टे विद यू ऑलवेज. अब फिर से उसने, स्वॉलो ने क्या कह दिया? नहीं, मैं तुम्हारा ये कमांड नहीं मानूंगा. आई विल नॉट लिसन टू दिस ऑर्डर एंड आई एम गोना स्टे. मैं रहूंगा सिर्फ यहाँ पे. ओके, मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा. Said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. So, after saying that I will stay with you forever, the swallow, he went to sleep. वो सो गया. ओके, कहाँ सो गया? At the prince's feet. Okay, so dear students, this is your lesson for the day. If you have any confusion, anything you want to ask, anything is not clear to you, then please comment and let me know. Okay, so that's your lesson for the day. Dear students, thank you very much.